Looking for easy ways to create your own raised garden beds? Well, you're in the right place. Raised beds offer countless benefits, from improved soil conditions to easier maintenance. In this video, we'll explore 7 simple methods to construct your own. Stay tuned to learn about these 7 simple methods for creating your own raised garden beds. The first method involves using wooden blocks. This simple yet effective approach starts with arranging your blocks in a square or rectangle. Then, fill with soil and plant your seeds. It's as straightforward and budget-friendly as that. And there you have it, a raised garden bed using wooden blocks. Next up, we have the cinder block method. This involves stacking cinder blocks to form the bed's perimeter. A standout for its durability and versatility, cinder blocks are a top choice. With cinder blocks, you can create a sturdy, long-lasting raised garden bed. Our third method uses galvanized steel. Galvanizing is a process that coats steel with a layer of zinc, enhancing its durability. This makes it a fantastic choice for constructing raised garden beds. It's also got a cool, contemporary aesthetic. Galvanized steel can give your raised garden bed a sleek, modern look. Now let's quickly go over the last 4 methods, starting with recycled plastic. This option is a sustainable and lightweight choice, perfect for those who want to reduce waste and be kind to our planet. Next, we have stone. Stone is a durable and aesthetically pleasing option that can withstand the test of time. Thirdly, corrugated metal offers a modern industrial look and is known for its longevity and resistance to rot. Lastly, the wattle method involves weaving flexible branches between sturdy stakes. It's a traditional technique that provides a rustic, natural charm to your garden. These methods offer a variety of options to suit your garden's needs and your personal style. And that wraps up our 7 methods for creating DIY raised garden beds. From wooden blocks to galvanized steel, each offers a unique way to enhance your green thumb. Give them a try. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!